Welcome back everyone to my channel Taj HOH Online Classes. In this video, I will be explaining you on calculation of mode. Calculation of mode. What is mode? Mode is the most repeated item or value, right? Most repeated or item or value, or we can say highest frequency observation. Observation of highest frequency, like that we can say. So as you know that when we were calculating mode for individual series or discrete series, we used to just pick up the highest frequency observation, right? For example, if they have given like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 as observations and frequencies, this is observations, this is frequency as 5, 8, 15, 12, 10. So we used to find that 15 is the highest frequency and the mode is 30. Mode is 30. Like that we used to write for individual series. For discrete series, for discrete series. This is for discrete series, right? Discrete series. For individual series, if they have given like for individual series, let's take there are 10 students in a classroom. 10 students in a classroom and their test marks out of 20 in SBD 1. Okay, student 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10 students. One student has scored 5, other 8, 10, 12, 8, 12, 14, 20, 8 and 6. Now this is an individual series. What we used to do when we are calculating mode, to calculate mode, we used to put this into like observation and frequency, right? Observation is 5. How many times it is repeated? 5, only 1. Okay. 8, how many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times. 10, 10 is repeated only 1 time. 12, 12 is repeated 2 times. 2 times. 14, 14 is repeated only 1 time. 20 is repeated only 1 time. And 6, 6 is repeated only 1 time. So now, which is the highest frequency? 3 is the highest frequency. The mode is 8 because 3 is highest frequency. 3 is highest frequency. This is how we used to calculate mode for discrete series and individual series. But in this video, I will be teaching you how to calculate mode for continuous series, because in the examination, they will ask you for 15 marks. In your previous year question paper, they have asked it for 15 marks, section C. So here when we are calculating mode, we do have one particular formula. It is not like individual or discrete series. We do have a formula. Mode is equal to L plus. L is the same as lower limit of modal class, like previously when how we have calculated for median. So L is equal plus F1 minus F0. Okay. 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. What is that F1, F2, F0? I will teach you later when I am calculating the problem. So here L is lower limit of modal class. Okay. F1 is equal to frequency of modal class. Frequency of modal class. You have to write down this properly in your notebook. If you think that I'm going fast, please set your YouTube watch video in a lower speed. Okay, you can keep it to 0.75 also. Next, f0 is equal to frequency of previous model class. Frequency of previous model class. F2 is equal to frequency of next model class. Frequency of next model class. Previous is also known as preceding. Next is also known as succeeding. Okay. H is equal to, you know that this is class width or class size, we call it. Okay, class size. This is the formula. First you write down this formula or take a screenshot of this. If your video quality is not good, please set the video quality properly. Now let's start with the problem. In your question bank, in page number 21 of your question bank, okay, you can go. There is a formula. There are questions which you can solve. I will take question number 5. Okay. The question number 5 says that they have given a class interval and also they have given the frequency f. So now class interval and frequency. Class interval they have given is 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. They have given the frequencies 5, 10, 18, 12, 8. So now it is so simple. What you need to do is find out which is the highest frequency. Solution. First you need to find out highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency? 18 is the highest frequency. Correct. This 18, because 18 is the greatest number among all the numbers. 5, 10, 18, 12, 8. If you observe, 18 is greater than all other 4 numbers. So highest frequency is 18. So modal class here. Modal class is 40 to 50. Modal class is equal to 40 to 50. Okay, done. Now this mid value is what we call it as, this one is what we call it as f1. 18 is f1. The number before that, this one, is what we call it as f0. The number after this is what we call it as f2. We got f0, f1 and f2. So what is f0 here? F0 is 10, f1 is 18, f2 is 12. Okay, done. We got f1, f2, f0 also. What we have not got as per the formula here, see, we have got f1, f0, f1, f0, f2. Okay, we have to get L and H. What is L? L is in this modal class, which is the lower limit. This 40, this is the modal class. 40 is lower limit, 50 is upper limit. Lower limit 40. So L is equal to 40. What is H? H is the difference between this 40 and 50. That is 10. Right? The difference between 40 and 50 is 10. So we have got, as per the formula, we got all the items. Now, as per formula, mode is denoted with Z also. You should know that. Mode is equal to L plus, formula is F1 minus F0. Next, 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So what is the L here? 40 plus f1 is 18, f0 is 10. Okay. Next, 2f1 means 2 into, you have to multiply that. 2f1 means you have to multiply f1 2 times, minus f0 is 10, f2 is 12. Next, into h is 10. Okay. Now, what we need to do? 40 is constant. Okay. This you don't add, or until last, don't use this. Okay. First, remove the bracket. 18 minus 10, 8. 2 into 18, 36, minus 10 minus 12 into 10. Next, 40 plus 8 divided by 36 minus 10 is 36 minus 10, 26. 26 minus 12, 36 minus 10 minus 12 is 14 into 10. Next, 40 plus 8 divided by 14 is 0.57 into 10. Now first we need to multiply this. 40 plus 0.57 into 10 is 5.7. So now 40 plus 5.7 is 45.7 is the mode. 45.7 is the mode which is falling between 40 to 50. Correct. So it means that we have calculated the mode properly. I hope that you have understood how to calculate mode. We just need to identify the highest frequency first. Later, we need to find the modal class, the upper value of the highest frequency, that is f0. Later value of the highest frequency, that is f2, we need to find. That's it. This is so simple. We just need to practice the formulas properly. In the next video, I will be calculating mode for the observation where they have said more than. Okay. I have already solved mean and median in the previous videos. Please go and watch all these videos, because in this unit, the more you focus, the more scoring you can do. Okay. They will ask around 5 marks, 2 questions. See, again and again, I am telling you how the question paper pattern was in the year 2024. They have asked 5 marks, 2 questions from this unit. Okay, that is 10 marks. Next, they have asked 15 marks, 2 questions, that is 30 marks in section C. This is section B. This is section C. So almost 40 marks from section B and C. Along with that, 2 questions of 2 marks in section A, that is 4 marks. So here, if you practice this unit properly, A to Z, without leaving anything, all the related videos I have uploaded in my channel for unit 2. If you practice well, approximately you will get 44 marks questions, where you just need to score how much in the examination? 40. If you score 40 in the examination, you will pass the subject. Okay, if you have got 0 in internals. If you have got some marks in internals, then at least if you get 28 in the examination, you will pass. So it's important that you focus more and more on this unit. Along with that, if you practice unit 4 also, then it is like you are going to score 80 out of 80 in the examination. Okay, so unit 3, unit 4 are most important, because approximately the whole just two units will cover most of the questions from your question paper. Okay, 1 or 2 questions from 20 marks questions from unit 5. So focus more on this unit. Don't leave this unit. The more questions you practice, the more you will become perfect, and the more you become perfect, the more scoring you can get in this subject. Don't ignore this subject. This is most important. Most of the students, they fail in this subject just because of confusions. Confusions happens when you have a overconfidence and you are not practicing it. You should not have a overconfidence, and you should practice it more and more. Done. Share the videos with your friends of other colleges also, so that they can also learn. It's not competition. Learning is not competition. Working is competition. Okay, let's share. Subscribe to my channel also. Help others to watch the videos, pass the examination. Thank you very much.